Hi guys, welcome to another Farty art installation. Hope you're enjoying my videos today. Here's another one from me. It's orange and black. The only two colours I use in this one. It's following the theme of some of the previous ones that I've been doing with just red and black. I'm really enjoying exploring the light and how I can change images, and this is again another one that is just from my imagination, so no reference on this one again. I'm really starting to enjoy that, just using the brushes and just start drawing something and see what happens. Just playing around with nature mainly at the moment with this style. I have been thinking about making the leap to some like body images and things like that, and maybe a face or two, and just see if it translates. But yeah, I haven't done that yet. I'm just trying to nail the nature scene. So this one is just two trees with like a light source straight down the middle in the path. And I recently downloaded some new brushes, and look, I've been using the standard Krita brushes for about 12 months now, and really hadn't thought about upgrading brushes until I was actually making one of these videos, and I'm like, oh well, there's got to be other brushes out there. So I had jumped online and just googled literally Krita free brushes, and there's a heap. Lots come up, and some really cool ones, and even the producers that worked on Krita itself, like the programming, have released a few like independently. Devad, I think, was one of them. Deevad. He had some really good ones, and they weren't actually on Krita, but they were his own little pack that he'd made for himself. So I thought that was pretty cool. So they work really good, really seamlessly. I was quite impressed with how they did work. So yeah, a lot of like leaf textures and the new grass textures and a few things like that, and charcoal. I actually used a bit of the charcoal pencil in this one too. That was really interesting to use. I hadn't played around with any of those previously. So yeah, I feel like it upped my game quite a bit, just getting some new brushes. Obviously this is the first time I was using them, so I could definitely improve still, but really happy with the results for, I think, what I spent an hour, maybe an hour and a half on this picture. So yeah, pretty quick results. I'm happy with that. So yeah, two trees and the light source. I really played around with the light on this one. I wanted to sort of get that lighting effect, and the first time I really tried with light rays, and I think the new brushes really enabled me to play with that, and I really liked how you could get like the particle effect within the brushes. I thought that was pretty cool. And yeah, basically that's it. That's all I really did. So it was 5 layers, I think. So I did obviously background. Initial was white. Then the black, I did another layer and just filled it with black, and then I did another layer after the black, and that was all my dark orange colours. I picked an orange firstly that I liked, and then yeah, did all the sort of tree base and the leaves with the dark orange and all the grass, and then I did a black layer with leaves, all the same brushes, a black layer, and did a bit of sort of dark shading and stuff on the trunks as well, and then I did a heap of black blades of grass as well, to give it some depth, and then on another layer after that, and it was the highlights layer. So all the same brushes again, but just with a really light orange. So I did all around the edges of the trees, few blades of grass. So the path up the middle, I did a bit more work on that. Also the light source in the middle. I didn't get real specific about light source. It could be like, alien, or it could be the sun rising, or it could be the moon, or it could be someone with a torch, shining it at you. And so I didn't want to get too like distinguished on it. I felt like it would give it a bit more mystery that way. So yeah, that was my thinking around that. And yeah, basically that's it, guys. Oh, I did one more layer with just like the light beams, but yeah, there wasn't a lot of work on that one. Um, and yeah, if you like what you're seeing, guys, like and subscribe. And as usual, you can find my stuff on Linktree. All right, peace out, guys. Bye.